Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a double star with a rubber band. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a rather large rubber band and we're going to make a double star. So I'm going to start off by placing the rubber band like this around my index finger and my thumb. Then I'm going to reach up through here, grab this part of the rubber band, twist it, and place it around my pinky. As you can see, that's what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to reach in the thumb loop. I'm going to reach through and grab this strand right here, which is on the thumb side of the index finger, and I'm going to pull it through the thumb loop like that, okay? Then I'm going to use my middle finger to reach up into the pinky loop and grab this strand right here, pull it down like that. We've now created the single star, and to transfer to the double star is actually pretty easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop the pinky out and the thumb out. We have this symbol now. We're going to take the pinky, place it through here, and the thumb through here, okay? As you can see right there. We're going to grab this part over here. I'm going to pull this downwards, okay? And I'm going to twist it. So once I pull it downwards, twist it, and I'm going to make sure that my index and my middle finger are grabbing that piece right there. I'm going to take my middle finger, put it through this pinky loop over here. My index finger is going to go through this loop right here, okay? Then we're going to get this flap, which is just at the bottom here, hanging. We're going to place it behind my fingers. So I'm going to place it, as you can see, carefully. I'm going to take this and place it behind my fingers, just like that, okay? And what we have here is the double star. You can see we have a single star inside of a double star. That's how you do it. It's actually really easy and straightforward. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.